Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I've got something I'm going to do today for my fiance. I would like to change the globes of the front lights of her Ford Figo. It's just that it's got that yellow lights that looks really, I don't know, I don't like it. I really don't like it. I prefer the white lights, just looks better and it shines faster, further. So yeah, I'm going to see to install this. It's C6 LED headlights. As you can see what it looks like, and then as well as these fishtail lights that we will need to replace, as it's got that yellow light then the inside as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and then just to show you what these lights looks like. As you can see, it's got this LEDs with a fan to keep it cool as well. So these are actually really good lights, and it makes a big difference. So let's get it installed so I can show you what it looks like when we are driving at night and the difference that we've got. So let's go to it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this side, as it's a bit more complicated this side than doing this side, because this side I've already done. As you can see, there's my split dirt to just excuse it. There's our new LED fishtail light, and as well as our nice LED headlight. So from there, I'm going to move to this side. First, what I'm going to do, just to get some space to be able to work behind the light, I'm going to remove that bolt. That is a 10mm bolt. So I'm just going to use my 10mm socket to remove that bolt completely. So now that I've got that bolt removed, basically all I did from here is just basically pull it up, as it does have this guides that is going through just to hold it in place. So just pick it up, move it out of the way, just winch the pipe in between here so you can just keep it here. And then once you look in the inside, you'll see there's like a rubber just covers everything from picking up dust. You can basically just pick it, just remove it. There's a small ear that is caught. You can just basically pull it and then it comes out. So the first thing I'm going to start with is with that small globe, because that's the easiest and the fastest globe just to remove. So once you put your hand inside, you'll be able to feel, as you can see right there in the corner. You can see there where my finger's pointing now. You can see that's the fishtail light for this globe. So you can just basically reach it down, you'll feel it, and then you can just pull it out. Then you can just pop it. There we go, all popped up. So there you can see there's our light bulb right here. I can just take your bulb and basically just pull it out, and there we have our globe. So what I like to do from this stance is that I like to switch it on here on the inside. Just switch everything on, the lights, everything. The reason for that is that these LED bulbs that we've got here, these fishtail lights, can only go in one certain direction. Because it is LED bulbs, it is not like a normal globe. So there's only one negative and one positive. It's not like a normal globe that works either way. This is called a positive and it's got a negative one side. So as it's switched on, I like to just put it in so I can see which side is the correct direction. As soon as it lights up, then you know you're on the right direction. Like for example, now that is the wrong way, as there's no light coming on. So just turn it around, and then there it's working now. So yeah, just like to keep it on so I can see which side is which direction, and then from here just basically put it back in. Bulb in, you can now just have a look at it again. Where's the light? You can see it's down there, so you can now just watch it from the inside, as it's easier to see. There you can see the bulb coming through. So now once it's there, you can just push it in thoroughly, and there it's done. So yeah, that's the first part. Just get rid of this whole yellow section. So that's the first piece. Now we're going to move over to the second piece, just to switch off the lights once again. So once your lights are switched off, you'll see at the back. So I'm going to start by removing the main plug first. That one you can just pull it out, just got more space to work on. That's now pulled out, and then you'll see there's a spring there. I don't know if you can see it here from the camera side, but there's a spring that's holding this whole globe together. So you can just push that spring in and then to the other direction, and then it's gonna clip the whole spring loose for you to be able to work and get the light out. So you can see I've got it loose, and then the light bulb basically just falls out. So keep in mind, once you remove your light bulb, just see which direction it comes out. As you can see there, that's approximately the position. The reason for that is that you'll need to fit in the other globe in this exactly the same direction, otherwise it just won't fit at all. So that's a really good point to look at. So if you've got your new globe now, you can now just fit it, put it back in where exactly the same way that you've removed your first light. And then, yeah, let me get that in first, and then I'll show you how we're going to continue from here. The light is all done, it's all finished. Now, it's the cover's back on, all our lights is done. So now you can put your bottle back. Once your bottle is back, you can now just take your screw, put it back in, and fasten it up properly. And once we are done with that, now we are finished. So we can now just close the hood. And we are done. So let me show you what it looks like now with our new headlights installed. There we go. You can see it looks really nice. Much decent. Looks much better than it looked like before. So I will be changing these bulbs as well. I'm going to open them now and see what they look like and see what type of bulbs they take. So I can change those both of those out as well, so that everything fits and looks the same in the front. So let me down in the comments if you want to see it as well. If you want me to make a video about it, I'll be glad to make a video. It's always fun enjoying showing you guys how things are getting done, so you can do it well at home. I mean, it's quite easy, it's quite simple. So yeah, that's it. Looks nice. I'm going to see now, just wait until it gets dark. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we drive at night, so I can also get the expression of my fiance as it is a car that we've bought for it to drive and so forth. So yeah, stay tuned. Let me show you the difference between now and basically what it looks like during the night. So here's my fiance. You can't even barely see her, but yeah, I'm going to say what thinking it of. So we're going to switch it on now for the first time. It's the first time she's going to see it. And then that's the park lights at the bottom that we still need to change. And then that's the main lights. As you can see now, it's white. Wat dink jy?
Dis baie skerper as gewoonlik.
Is it? Like jy dit?
Oh, ek kan sien.
Nou kan jy sien. En dan nou as die brights aan sit.
Kan jy regtig verskil sien? O, jy kan.
Ek lyk nerf. Ek dink dit lyk sharp. So now it's a bit darker, so like that. So they can see the difference. And then once we get home, I'll show her what it looks like from the front. I'll show you as well. But yeah, I really do like this white lights. Makes a big difference. And then the car looks modern as well. Okay, there you can see now what it looks like from the front. For me it looks much better, much more modern. Wat dink jy van dit, my lovey?
Ek dink dit lyk alright. Dit lyk net nie lekker met die toetou nie.
Is dit met die goud en nie? Ons daarom nog gesien, we have seen which globes the bottom ones take. So yeah, we'll probably just replace those globes, and then it will be exactly the same color as the headlights itself. So it's going to look nice and fresh. It's going to look much better. So yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a lovely night further, and God bless. Ciao.